honestly, I think I'm late for this, but it's better late than never. Because my kids are already having some flu symptoms and I have to leave this for a few days before I can use it. So I have some onion bulb here. I'm chopping it up because I need all the nutrients. So I'm going to pour it into my jar. So I've got a bag of garlic here. Does anyone know the easiest way to peel garlic? Okay, so I'm able to peel this much and smash like that. And then I'll dump it in here. Okay, this is how it's looking now. So here I have 100% pure organic, raw and unfiltered honey. So I'm going to leave it on the kitchen counter for a month. After a month, you will notice that the honey has loosened up. It will be a little bit more watery and easy to take like a syrup.